Happy New Year, guys! Let's welcome 2021 with open arms. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For all those who are new here, my name is Sharvari Phatak and I am a postgraduate certificate psychology student who has this channel with the purpose of promoting good well-being and good mental health. For all my returning subscribers, hi guys, and glad to see you all back here, that too in the new year. Today's video is the audience controlling my channel. So just to give you guys a small recap, I had posted on my Instagram story a couple of days ago and I wanted all of you to respond to what you would want to do differently in the year 2021. On a serious note, what you have decided to do differently. And thank you for the overwhelming response I received. Thanks a lot to all those who responded, and I have made it sure that I included your response in this video. Without wasting time, let's get to the video. So I have my phone here and I will be reading out your responses from my phone itself. And don't worry, all the responses are anonymous. I won't be mentioning any names anywhere, so you don't have to worry about your privacy being invaded because that is completely taken care of. This video was overall an attempt to make people understand what other people have planned for the new year, so you kind of get a perspective, right? And that also helps you give your thoughts a direction. What's the main purpose of this video? So coming to the responses, the first is, in 2021 I'm going to work on things I've planned and forgiving people, moving on will be done by me. Wow, that is so great. I mean, forgiving people really helps. Sometimes it's not you, it's them, and there is no point in having grudges over people at all. Good job on that. The second response is, in 2021 I am going to eat less outside food. That's cool. So you are trying to become a healthier person or trying to eat healthy, and cutting outside food is the start to that. Kudos to you on that. The third response is, in 2021 I am going to change my lifestyle regarding sleeping patterns and eating habits and being less socially anxious. I am also going to stop doubting myself and push myself to my limits. Wow, I mean, your 2021 is so well planned. It is going to be extremely eventful, and I do wish that you complete all the things that you have planned. These are all great things to do, and having good habits is not at all a bad thing. So I think it's great. The next one is, in 2021 I'd like to start my day early and maintain a healthy sleeping pattern. This kind of follows the previous one. So all of our sleep cycles were disturbed in the year 2020. I believe it was due to the excessive anxiety. That's why maintaining a healthy sleeping schedule is always better for your health long term. After that is, in 2021 I'm going to further develop my change personality and overall development goals. Great. So your development process started in the year 2020 itself and you are carrying it forward to the next year. I wish you all the best for that. Then in 2021 I am going to start exercising in 2021. Okay. So that is a good thing. I mean, we have all realized that we need to keep our health in good shape. Exercising is always better in order to reduce stress and also keeping your immunity well. Great work. Now the next one is by a businessman. So this person has said, in 2021 I'm going to start using WhatsApp to promote my business actively. So sir, I hope that your plan is successful. WhatsApp is definitely a helpful platform for growing your business, so I hope that happens this year. Then in 2021 I will be honing my craft to excellence. Perfection is not necessary, but just doing something with great love and determination and trying to do it for your own personal satisfaction really goes a long way. So all the best to you for that. Then is, in 2021 I am going to reply to texts and become a better phone user. I understand it sometimes happens that you don't want to look at your phone at all, and replying to text becomes really tiresome. but I also have decided I'm going to text people back. And also, one thing I'm really bad at, and my friends can vouch for that, is picking up calls because I never do that. So being a better phone user, that's a different thing you have decided. Great. And the last one is, in 2021 I am going to stay positive and be kind to others. Wow, so this person is really thinking for others before himself or herself. So great work, because small acts of kindness can really go a long way. It can really make a person's day. So this is a very noble thing you have decided. That's it for this video. These were all the responses I received and I decided to share them here. So I really loved reading all your guys' plans in the new year. So I wish everyone all the best. And I really hope that they are completed, or at least you gain direction by deciding something in this way. So all the best and good work to you for that. Also, this is the end of the video, so I will be back next Friday with a new video. My posting schedule is Friday, so make sure you stay tuned for every Friday. Also, I will be back with new content in the new year, so definitely look forward to great topics related to psychology. And if you have any topics of your own which you want me to make a video on, or you feel are some things that can be discussed, do message me on Instagram. I'll make it a point to reply to your message, and your suggestion can actually be considered. Thank you everyone. Have a great first day to the new year. Have a great day and an amazing week ahead. I will see you guys the following Friday. Bye, take care and see you soon.